In this video, we'll show you how to turn off VoiceOver on your iPhone. If you have VoiceOver enabled, there are two ways to turn it off. The first method is through the settings. When you tap on Settings, remember to double tap to select it. From there, go to Accessibility and double tap again to open it. Next, find VoiceOver in the list and tap on it once. Then double tap to select it. This will bring you to the VoiceOver settings where you can turn it off. While this method works, it can be a bit tricky to navigate. Alternatively, a much easier way is to ask Siri to turn off VoiceOver for you. To do this, simply press and hold the side button and say, "Turn off VoiceOver." Just like that, Siri will disable it for you. So whether you want to go through the settings or just use Siri, both methods will work. Siri is smart enough to help you manage your phone settings, making things much easier. I hope this guide helps. If it did, please hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.